Hey guys, what is up? Austin here, aka Bowtie Guy 97. Today's video is one you guys have been dropping a ton of comments. I get a ton of DMs on Instagram. You guys have always got the question for me, can I run 12 wides on a leveling kit? Now, you know I had 10 wides on this truck when I had a leveling kit, and you know I've got 12 wides now on 4 inches. Well, people want to know, can you really run 12 wides on a leveling kit and not have to hack the truck to pieces? And today, I'm going to answer that question for you guys. But before we get started, as always, go check out the other videos on the channel. A lot of cool content down there, a lot of new videos coming. Just hit that subscribe button. Instagram down in the description below at Austin04_Z71. But enough of that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so if you guys have been a subscriber on the channel for a while, you know about Graham's truck. 06 Silverado. Last time you guys saw it would have been the video where I was down in South Carolina for the show. If you're interested in the build, before we even get started on today's video, go follow him at Graham_Guff. But he has recently put 12 wides and 33s on here. These are a brushed wheel, so you know you're kind of getting that look like they look like really dirty chrome. Well, it's brushed wheels. And Michael, when did they start making brushed wheels? It's been a new thing. Yeah, it's kind of a new thing, and it hasn't really caught on yet. And I'm glad Graham did it, because with it, you know, you look at this color and you wonder what would really go well with it. And I think that the brushed was definitely the way to go. But the wheels are 22 by 12, negative 44 offset. The tires, I don't think they're a metric size, aren't they, Graham? Yeah, they are. No, they're actually 33, 12, 50, 22. Okay, yeah, they're a true 33. So 33, 12, 50, 22, Nitto Terra Grappler G2s. Love those tires. Ran those on the Moto Metal 970s I had. So we got a 33 on a 12 wide with just a leveling kit. You guys can tell it's just a leveling kit there. That truck, you know, no body, no nothing. Go back here, show you guys. We don't have any body lift on here. No other lift. It's just a leveling kit. And he has cleared 12 wides with surprisingly not that much trimming. You know, I've always told you guys you'd have to really do a lot of trimming in order to fit them. Anybody who asked me the question, well, that he's actually proved me wrong. If you look back here in the plastic, you see where all he had to do was really cut, you know. So I kind of wish I could have showed you guys before he did it. The plastic runs straight across and then curves up right there. Well, all he did was just curve it up, so when the tire turns back in here, it's in this open space. And then, of course, everybody knows the bumper trim. A little bit of the metal, a little bit of the plastic straight down. Nothing major. And, I mean, of course, the rear's not a problem. You can go pretty high over back there in the rear and not ever have a problem. But, Graham, I mean, how bad is it still rubbing?
Barely. Just a little bit of that back plastic piece hits a little bit, but other than that, it clears everything fine.
So, you know,
locking, I mean, it's barely.
Yeah, I mean, and of course, even I'm going through ditches or whatever, even on 4 inches I hit, but that's 35s. But I'm impressed with the little amount of trimming that really had to be done to fit them. You know, so you go over here to the other side, because he's got the wheel turned the other way. You guys can see how it tucks back up in there. Actually, Graham, would you get in it and turn it full lock?
Yeah. And
then they can see how it sits back up in there. So you guys can see there, you see it's close down here at the bottom. Actually, if he really wanted to, he could trim just a little bit more of it off, so he wouldn't hit in a bump or whatever, but it clears. I'll go to the other side so you don't have to turn it back. And then on the front, looks like he's got plenty of room. In fact, I was telling him, I think he actually trimmed more than he really even needed up here. He's got plenty of room up against the bumper with these. But the other side clears in there fine. You're rolling down the road. Not a single bit of problem in there. He's got, it's a finger width in there between the plastic. And actually, I was telling him, you know, if you tuck the plastic in further, he wouldn't even have an issue on that plastic. But these wheels, you know, I know the video's about the just running a 12 wide, but these brushed wheels are awesome with the chrome cap and the spiked lugs. And I love Nitto wheels. I mean, tires, period. I ran 2 generations of their Terra Grappler, the original Terra Grappler and the G2, and I loved both of them. But his truck is awesome. I know you guys have always dropped a ton of questions down below. He was in the off-roading video we did a long time ago. He was in that video where he went down to the show, but there it is. You know, he's for the most part color matched, aside from the bottom bumper. You see, bumper. He's got tow mirrors just like mine, caps done, door handles. So, dual exhaust, leveling kit. So, there you go, guys. Answered your question for you. Can you fit 12 wides on a leveling kit? You can. I guess what I'll throw in here at the end of the video is I'll do a couple more. You saw at the beginning of the video we threw in that roller shot. We'll do a little bit more rolling shots, and I'll show you, what the wheels look like rolling. We'll get a good viewpoint of the stance so you guys can see what it looked like. 12 wides with the stance, how much you're actually going to get out of it. Keep in mind, this truck does not have fender flares. If yours has fender flares, that's going to kind of eat the look of the offset on the wheels. But super clean truck. I appreciate Graham for coming out here and letting me film it. And there you go. You can fit them. So it's possible. On a 35, not possible, but 33, definitely possible. But stick around if you want to see some rolling shots of that. Stick around to the video. But I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that subscribe button and enjoy the rollers.
Better off as strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night, neath the pale moon. Loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my bite. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. 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 I'm a